class of 2024. Today is a day to celebrate, reflect, and for some of us, breathe a giant sigh of relief. After countless all-nighters, endless cups of coffee, and surviving 8 a.m. lecture or Zoom fatigue, we are here. We came, we studied, and we conquered. So, I here raise an imaginary goblet in a toast to say congratulations on our graduation. We made it. My name is Sharda, and don't worry, I promise to keep this brief because the real celebration awaits. But before we move on, let's give ourselves a well-deserved round of applause. The one that doesn't stop until our hearts are overflowing with the sound of it. Wow. For the next few minutes, let's take a step back in time. Join me as we revisit the journey that brought me here today. A journey filled with challenges, growth, and moments that shaped the person standing before you. I was born and raised in small hamlet in India. Girls like me growing up in such a place often share one simple yet powerful dream: to become independent and to explore a world beyond the one we have always known. After completing my undergraduate studies, I was eager to pursue a master's degree. However, my father, being deeply rooted in traditional values, was initially unsure about me traveling overseas alone as an unmarried daughter. While his concerns stemmed from love and a desire to protect me, my dreams were put on hold. I entered the workforce and eventually got married. Yet, that longing for independence never left me. After marriage, I expressed my desire to study once again. While my father and husband supported me, many others around us discouraged the idea. They suggested I should focus on getting a job or doing something more practical, reasoning that as a married woman, leaving home to pursue education was not appropriate. But I was determined. I didn't just want an education. I wanted the full experience of studying on campus. With my husband's unwavering support, I came to UCM. I still remember my first flight to UCM, filled with excitement, nervousness, and a little fear of the unknown. From the moment I arrived, UCM has become more than just a university. It became a space where I could truly grow. The professors, staff, and peers challenged me to step out of my comfort zone, guiding me through late-night study sessions, back-to-back exams, assignment deadlines that seemed impossible to meet. Each of us, in our own way, has a story of learning and adapting, whether it was figuring out on how to survive on instant noodles for days or discovering the true meaning of group project. It's a one-person show. We have all come a long way. Here, I discovered what it truly meant to stand on my own 2 feet. I learned to navigate life independently, cooking my own meals, adapting to new people and places, and managing responsibilities. It wasn't easy. Being far from home as a married woman came with its own set of judgments and doubts from others. People often questioned my abilities, from cooking to managing a home. There were moments when I felt disheartened despite my efforts. But through it all, UCM stood as my foundation. The encouragement I received both inside and outside the classroom gave me the confidence to keep going. I leaned on the support of my family and the incredible friends I made here. Today, I stand before you as a front-end engineering intern, proud not only to have proven myself, but also to have inspired change. My parents, seeing my journey, were so moved that they sent my younger sister abroad for her master's degree before marriage. She is here with us today, and I couldn't be more prouder. And as I stand here, a small town girl who dared to dream, I have to admit, a part of me still wonders. You know, if there's been a mix-up, like I wandered into the wrong ceremony, and they're handing me a degree by mistake. But no, it's real. I made it. We made it. As I reflect on this moment, I can't help but think of my father, whose core principles and deep integrity have shaped who I am, and my husband, whose support and love remind me how lucky I am to have him in my life. Together, my superheroes have empowered me to stand here with pride. As we leave this chapter behind, if there is one thing to take away from this speech, it's to trust in ourselves. Because if we don't, who will? But when we do, society will have no choice but to trust us too. So let's dare to dream, no matter what the circumstances are. With the courage to face challenges and strength to break expectations, we can inspire change. Thanks to institutions like UCM for equipping us with tools and guidance to embrace these challenges. So let's keep trusting, keep dreaming, and keep moving forward. Thank you everyone for being a part of this incredible journey. This is Sharda Mandana signing off.
President Best, on behalf of the graduate faculty of the University of Central Missouri, it's my privilege to present the candidates for the Fall 2024 graduate commencement. These students, as officially listed and notified, have qualified for degrees offered by the university. Now, will the candidates for the Master of Science please stand and remain standing? It is my privilege to present these candidates to you for conferring of their degrees.
As president for the University of Central Missouri, it is my honor to confer your degree. By virtue of the authority vested in me by the state of Missouri and through the Board of Governors of the University of Central Missouri, I do hereby confer upon each of you the degree for which you have qualified, with all of the rights, privileges, and responsibilities thereto appertaining. Peace be with you, class of 2024. We offer you our sincerest congratulations.